Hi, my name is Abhinav Gupta. I am the promoter at Abhinav Automotive LLP. We started our company in 2019 as a gear manufacturer, and we are suppliers of gears and shafts to International Tractors Limited. And we have been associated with LMW as well since 2019. We started off with 3 machines initially, and with the time we have grown exponentially, and we have added approx 10 more machines of LMW. And so in off-road segment, as you know that the timely delivery of material is very important, but we cannot compromise on the quality as well. Here LMW helps us in achieving the timeless delivery of our components along with the quality. And the experience working with the LMW has been very seamless because the team is extremely professional, and our today we have 10 turning centers running in our plant, and all of them are running at their peak capacity without any maintenance issues or anything. And we have been associated with them since 2019, and we wish to work with them for at least many years to come. So as you know that we are into gear manufacturing, and gear manufacturing requires extreme precision and accuracy. So LMW machines have been programmed in such a way that we get our components turned at the parameters that are provided by the customer, even within the tolerance, and which makes the component even more efficient and smooth for further production. So our big gears that we are making and the shafts that we are making, which are very critical and they're very long in their length, so LMW helps us in giving us the complete finished product in which we can process it further without any difficulty. LMW is most sought after and finest in terms of their machinery, in terms of the timeless delivery of the machinery and their quality, and especially their team, who is always ready to support us no matter what the time is and what the day is. 24/7, 365, they have been working with us to provide us the support that we need to manufacture components. And as you know that we are a new supplier in gears and shafts, so we need support continuously for our machines, and their team has been very helpful in supporting us. And I don't think I have had any other experience like this with other CNC machine maker. They are very robust. They can make anything what you want to guide them. They are seamless, and they are very well versed with the our operators as well, because as we started off with CNC, and now we are very committed to that brand, and we can't even think of going to any other brand apart from that. Durability is good. It's been 5 years the machines are running, and the people know that every year we place 2 to 3 new machines order we give to them for our plant capacity. And their parts are easily available. Their team is always on the round, and their person always comes and has a look at our machines running, and they even guide how to use them, and they give full and proper training with the balancing and everything. So yeah, I mean it's a good experience, and we will definitely be attached with them for many years to come. Yes, I would definitely see something like because if we have to make small components, so I would definitely like encourage them to go for to make something which can help us to not get the big machine, like just a component specific machine, or maybe a double turning center or double chuck turning center for smaller components, which can enhance our production and also give them a new line of machines, because they are very much required for small parts which are very voluminous, but due to the absence of that machine, we feel that we have to engage a full big length machine for that small component. They have helped us a lot in achieving accuracy in the components, which have been extremely critical, and their support team has been very helpful and very supportive in helping us achieve our targets annually and every quarterly. And every year we add the new machines of LMW so that we can cater to the best quality to our customers, and which has also helped us in gaining new business with the suppliers. So we are really happy to be associated with this esteemed organization, and I always recommend my colleagues and my other friends who are in this line to go for LMW turning centers.